Welcome to Rediff Enterprise. In this video, we will learn how to create an email ID from the admin panel. So you have to open the welcome email that you would have received on your registered email ID. It will be similar to this email. In this email, you will find one temporary login link. You have to click on that link to log in into the email account. This will be your email ID, admin. So you can type admin, ADMIN, and the password of the email account. You can copy the password and enter the password. Once you log in into the admin email ID, here right hand side top corner you will be able to see this option. You have to click over here, and above the sign out button you will find this option admin. You have to click on the admin account, admin option. Once you click on the admin option, left hand side you will be able to see single user option. In that you will find option add user. You have to click over here. Here you will be able to see all the fields that are star marked. The fields that are star marked are mandatory. You have to fill those fields. But it is possible that you might not have the data for with data such as date of birth or alternate email ID or mobile number. So if you don't want these fields as mandatory, you can go on this option customize add user form. This one. Here you can keep the fields as optional. For example, if I don't have the date of birth of the user, I'll keep that field as optional and submit it in the bottom. Whichever field you do not have the data, you can keep it as optional and click on submit button over here. So those field you do not have to enter. Now we will again go in the add user option. Here we will enter the first name and the last name. Then you have to select enter the email ID that you wish to create and select the domain name and the mailbox size that you have purchased. You have to enter the mobile number and the date of birth. I have not kept it as optional, that's why I'm entering the date of birth. If you do not have these fields, you can keep it as optional. You have to select I enter the alternate email ID. Group policy and mailing list is currently not required. It is not mandatory. There are other fields as well. You have to, if you want to see other field, you have to click on show all fields. Here you will find options such as password. If you want to give a password, you want to set a password, you can set it over here. If you do not enter any password, system will automatically create the password for that user. And here you will find option change password at next signing. Means whenever the user log in into the account, if you select yes, user will get an option to change the password. If you select no, user will not get the option. He will be able to directly log in with the password, first password. So I am keeping it as yes right now, and I don't want to fill any other field, so I am hiding the extra field. And then you have to click on quick add user. So the email ID is created, and as I did not give any password for the account, system has generated, you will receive one email and system will create the password for that user. This is the email and the password is created. So you can use the same temporary link which you have received. This is a temporary link. You can copy the link and log in with the same link. So this was the user that I created and the password is over here. I'm copying the password to enter. This page will come where user will be asked to change the password once. So you have to enter the password. New password you have to enter twice, and here all the fields are mandatory, so you have to select the city as well, and date of birth and mobile number will automatically come, and you have to click on continue. So this user is created, and this is how you can log in into the email account. Here you can click on done, go to inbox, go to inbox. So this is how the email ID is created from the admin panel, and you can log in into the email ID. Thank you.